If you're a freelancer looking to streamline your finances and keep everything organized, knowing how to use Xero as a freelancer can save you time and help you focus on your business. In this quick Xero explanation, we'll break down the essentials you need to know, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating Xero to manage your invoicing, expenses, and accounting tasks. Now, before we dive into the details, I want to let you know that you can access Xero for free through the first link in the description below, with some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss out on. Stick around until the end to learn how to claim your extended free trial. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software designed to make managing your business finances as a freelancer both easy and efficient. One of the first things you'll love about Xero is its user-friendly interface. Unlike some other software, Xero doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features, keeping everything streamlined for freelancers who need simplicity, but also comprehensive functionality. To start, after you sign up and log in, the first thing you'll see is the dashboard. This gives you an overview of your cash flow, your bank balance, invoices, and bills, all in one place. As a freelancer, having a quick snapshot of your financials is crucial for staying on top of your business. Next, let's talk about invoicing. Xero makes creating and sending invoices quick and painless. All you need to do is head to the Sales tab, select a new invoice, and you can easily create an invoice for your client by entering the details like description, amount, and due date. You can also customize invoices with your branding or choose from several templates to make them look professional. Once your invoice is ready, Xero lets you email it directly to your client from within the platform. For freelancers, tracking expenses is another vital part of staying organized, and Xero excels here too. Under the Bills to Pay section, you can record your expenses by entering them manually or connecting your bank account to automatically import transactions. This integration makes it incredibly easy to track everything, and Xero automatically categorizes expenses so that you can run reports without any extra work. Bank reconciliation is another standout feature in Xero. Since you can connect your bank account, Xero automatically imports your transactions and suggests matches for your invoices or expenses. This helps keep everything up to date and makes it easy to reconcile your bank statements quickly. Xero also offers excellent reporting features that allow you to generate profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and more. These reports help you keep track of your financial performance and give you valuable insights into your business. Whether you're planning to reinvest in your freelance career or just want to make sure you're on track, these reports are a game changer. What's even better is that Xero can scale with you as your business grows. You can add users, integrate with various apps like PayPal, Stripe, and HubSpot, and even use the mobile app to manage your finances on the go. It's designed to grow with your business, which is essential for any freelancer who might expand their services in the future. To wrap up, Xero is an incredibly powerful tool for freelancers who need a simple but effective accounting solution. From invoicing to expenses, bank reconciliation, and reporting, Xero has all the essentials to keep your finances organized and your workflow efficient. Plus, with the ability to connect your bank and customize your workflow, it's an ideal solution for anyone looking to focus on their business instead of getting lost in the numbers. Don't forget to check out the exclusive offer I've mentioned in the description below. You can get access to Xero for free, along with some amazing bonuses that will help you make the most out of this software. Sign up today and see why so many freelancers trust Xero to handle their finances. Thanks for watching, and make sure to grab your extended free trial from the link below.